and welcome back to our channel. If you are looking for powerful audio editing tools without spending any amount, you are in the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing 3 free AI-powered tools that will elevate your audio editing skills. First up, we have Audacity. This open source audio editor is a powerhouse for recording and editing. Its AI-driven noise reduction and equalization features ensure your audio is crisp and clear, perfect for podcasters and musicians alike. Next on our list is Adobe Podcast. This tool uses AI to enhance voice recordings by removing background noise and improving clarity. You just need to upload your audio here and wait for the magic to happen. Download your file by clicking here and you'll get it free of cost. Last but not the least, there's Media.io Voice Enhancer. This tool uses advanced AI algorithms to clean up your audio, remove background noise, and enhance vocal clarity. It's user-friendly and perfect for anyone looking to improve their audio quality quickly. And there you have it, 3 amazing AI tools to take your audio editing to next level. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.